Installing a high-precision piston can feel difficult at first, especially when it seems slightly larger than the cylinder, but this is exactly how Ice Marine designs it. Our pistons and cylinder liners are engineered with ultra-tight clearance to create stronger compression, better sealing, and long-term durability. Because of this precision fit, installation should be done with a proper piston installation tool or ring compressor to protect the rings during assembly. ICE Marine part numbers ending in -H, like 688-10935-H, represent our highest grade components. They're made with stricter machining, premium materials, and tighter tolerances, giving you higher power output, less leakage, and a much longer service life. Meanwhile, parts ending in -00 are easier to install by hand, but their looser fit loses compression faster and wears out sooner. They offer convenience, but not long-term performance. This part is called the rigid honing stones, featuring 3 replaceable 220 grit medium stones designed to resurface the cylinder walls. Next is the self-aligning flexible shaft, which allows smooth back and forth movement along the cylinder walls for an even finish. This part is the adjustable tension screw, used to control the spring pressure of the stones against the cylinder bore to match different piston sizes. Finally, the adjustable range mechanism lets you work with cylinders ranging from 2 inches up to 7 inches in diameter. I will explain briefly about how to use engine cylinder hone. Start by applying honing oil evenly to the cylinder walls to ensure smooth operation and prevent scratching. Attach the engine cylinder hone securely to a power drill, then insert the hone into the cylinder before starting the drill. Run the drill at a medium speed while moving the hone back and forth in a steady motion to remove light carbon, rust, and imperfections. Once the honing is complete, remove the tool and thoroughly clean out all carbon, rust, and dust from the cylinder. Finish by spreading a thin coat of clean engine oil on the cylinder walls to protect the surface and prevent rust from developing before reassembly. It will make your engine more powerful and last longer.